Welcome my YouTube channel Luxury Car Future. Opening. Visual, a sleek, futuristic BMW Vision Next 100 gliding through a vibrant cityscape filled with modern architecture. Voiceover begins with a confident tone. Voiceover? Welcome to the future of driving. This is the BMW Vision Next 100, a car that redefines innovation, luxury, and sustainability in the automotive world. Scene, close-up shots of the car's exterior. Visual, highlighting the flowing, aerodynamic design and seamless body lines. Voiceover? The Vision Next 100 showcases BMW's commitment to crafting vehicles that push boundaries. Its iconic kidney grille blends seamlessly into a fluid, lightweight frame, embodying a design language inspired by efficiency and elegance. Scene, focus on the wheels and adaptive exterior. Visual, the wheels shifting dynamically as the car maneuvers through tight corners. Voiceover? One of the most striking features is its dynamic, adaptive wheels. The unique design not only enhances aerodynamics, but also adjusts to the road, offering unparalleled stability and precision. Scene, interior overview with futuristic elements. Visual, pan over the futuristic cockpit with its minimalist dashboard, sleek steering wheel, and glowing control panel. Voiceover? Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of tomorrow. The interior is a seamless blend of advanced technology and luxury. With intuitive controls and immersive displays, the Vision Next 100 ensures the driver remains at the heart of the experience. Scene, highlighting the boost and ease modes. Visual, a futuristic animation showing the transition between boost mode and ease mode. Voiceover? Designed with adaptability in mind, this car offers two distinct driving modes. Boosty mode gives you full control, offering a thrilling and responsive driving experience. Meanwhile, Ease mode transforms the car into a fully autonomous vehicle.